How can I incorporate turmeric into my daily face care routine? Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice with its active compound curcumin, has been cherished for its potential skincare benefits. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a popular natural remedy for various skin concerns. If you're wondering how to use turmeric daily on your face, this article will guide you through simple and effective ways to integrate turmeric into your daily skincare routine for a healthier and radiant complexion. 1. Turmeric face mask. Create a nourishing turmeric face mask by combining 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt and a few drops of honey. Apply the paste evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and gently pat your skin dry. This mask can help soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and promote a brighter complexion. 2. Turmeric cleansing oil. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 teaspoons of melted coconut oil or your preferred facial oil to create a natural cleansing oil. Gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions to dissolve impurities and makeup. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. The turmeric-infused oil can provide gentle exfoliation and nourishment to your skin. 3. Turmeric spot treatment. For targeted pimple treatment, create a spot treatment by mixing a pinch of turmeric powder with a drop of water to form a paste. Apply the paste directly to individual pimples and leave it on overnight. The antimicrobial properties of turmeric can help reduce redness and swelling, promoting faster healing. 4. Turmeric and aloe vera face serum. Blend 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to create a soothing face serum. After cleansing and toning, apply a small amount of the serum to your face, gently massaging it into the skin. This serum can provide hydration and help calm irritated skin. 5. Turmeric and green tea toner. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of the cooled green tea. Use a cotton pad to apply the mixture to your face as a refreshing and antioxidant-rich toner. Important tips: before using turmeric on your face, perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any potential allergic reactions. Use turmeric in its diluted form to prevent staining and minimize the risk of skin irritation. Avoid keeping turmeric masks on your face for extended periods, as it may lead to temporary skin staining. If you have sensitive or reactive skin, use turmeric masks and treatments less frequently and observe how your skin responds. Conclusion: integrating turmeric into your daily face care routine can unlock its numerous skincare benefits. Whether you prefer a face mask, cleansing oil, spot treatment, serum, or toner, turmeric offers versatile solutions for various skin concerns. Embrace the power of turmeric and witness the positive transformation it can bring to your daily skincare ritual. Remember to use turmeric in moderation and discontinue use if you experience any adverse reactions. With consistency and care, turmeric can become your trusted ally for maintaining a healthy and glowing complexion.